Go to launch instance. Linux practice. Select Amazon Linux, and for practice purpose you have to select Linux Amazon Linux 2. This is very stable version. Don't select Amazon Linux 2023. Okay, please select Amazon Linux 2 AMI. This is stable version. We are practicing on this one. I have a key pair Amazon Linux. Amazon. This is my key. If you don't have key means you have to create one new key pair. Launch instance. It's launching the instance right now. View all instances. Right now state is in pending. I'm refreshing it. Now it's running. We connect to the instance using public IP. Go to this mobile external. Go to session. SSH. Give the IP here. EC2-user is the EC2-user. Advanced SSH settings. Use private key. Click here and provide the key. My key is Amazon keys.pem. Selecting that one. Click on OK. Now it will connect to mobile external software. Okay. Right now we have done this one. How to connect to EC2 instance using mobile external. Okay, this is done. Next one is how to resolve network error or refuse issues. Sometimes what will happen, you will get errors. I will show you how to do this one. Suppose I'm going to security and select the security group. Okay, here for me security group is there. Okay, right now I am deleting the security group. See, I will go to edit inbound rules. I am deleting this security group. Which one it is there now? 22 and all. Sometimes you see this one. I will show you how the error will come. I am deleting this one right now. Delete. Okay. Suppose if I try to connect again, if I go and connect to the instance again, my instance is running. I am trying to connect once again with the public IP. Session, SSH, public IP, EC2-user, advanced SSH settings, private key, Amazon. This is my key. Open. Okay. Right now you will get one error. See, one error will come. It will come. It will take some time. It will come. See, this is the error. Network error. Network error, connection timeout. Okay, when you get this type of error, directly you have to go to SSH settings, security group. You have to go to security group, select this one, and go here inbound rules. Here you will have that inbound rules. Right now I deleted. Okay, if you have that inbound rule, no, SSH, you have to delete that one. Delete and add the fresh one. Right now I'm adding now. How to do this one? See, I'm selecting SSH. See, this is the SSH. We have to add freshly the 22, and we have to give this one 00. All zeros means to access from anywhere. Okay, you have to create once again. You have to delete it, and you have to create one once again. This one, and save rules. Okay, now it was created, and go here. You got the error here, no? Right now you type here R. Restart. It will connect automatically. See, this is connected. Okay. So this how to resolve network error issues we have done. I shown you. So you have to delete the existing configuration and recreate the configuration. Okay. Then next one is we have logged this one. To next one is to find the logged in user. To find the logged in user means we have the command like OMI. So the user is ec2-user. Okay. Next one, to find the date. To find the date, we have to type date command. This is the date, Saturday, July. This one in UTC. Okay, 2023 is the year. Next one, I want to check the calendar. This is the calendar for July month. Okay, today this month is July, so it's displaying July month. I want to see complete month, complete year. Then CAL 2023. This will give you the complete year calendar. Okay, I want to clear this terminal actually. CLEAR, clear. Clear is to clear the terminal. See, this was cleared. Next one we start with create directory. I want to create one directory, mkdir Belgaro. This is the directory I am creating. Okay, next one is create one more directory, Venkat. Okay, mkdir Venkat. Next one what we are asking, we have created two directories. One is Durgara, one is Venkat. We go to the Venkat directory. Right now I am giving one command pwd. This is pwd means present working directory. It will show. See, this is right now I am in home ec2-user right now. So I want to go to this Venkat directory. Just now I created na. Also, okay, cd Venkat. Okay, this is the Venkat. Okay. Next what we are asking, see, create a file using touch command. So I am in Venkat directory. I want to create one file. Okay, just create one file using touch. Touch is the command to create a new file one. Suppose touch is the command to create one file. To check the file is created or not, we should enter ls command. ls command means it will show ls. So ls-l means it will show like ls- with all the details. This is the new file one. Okay, it will show the long list. ls means list of files. ls-l means long list. It will show actually. Next one. Right now I done till here. Create a file using touch command. I did this one also. And we have seen that present working directory also. Present working directory means it will show the working directory. Now you check here, present working directory means I am right now in Venkat directory. Okay, this is called present working directory. Next one. So go back one directory. Okay. Right now I am in Venkat directory. I want to go back one directory back means I have to go to /home ec2-user. So the command is cd dot. So again we give pwd, present working directory is where I am right now. After giving present working directory, I am in /home ec2-user. Okay. Next one, how to remove empty directory. Okay, just give ls-l. It will give long list of the files. Right now it is showing what are the directories I created. I created directory how I am saying. So this is Durgara I created, Venkat I created. I know that, but the people who are who want to know, other person want to know this is directory or file, he can see here in the starting. If it is D is there means it is directory. Okay, D is there means it is a directory. Okay, for Venkat also see there is a directory, D is there. That means this file is directory. Okay, right now what we have to do to remove empty directory. So these two are the directories are there. I want to remove the empty directory. Okay, I will take, this is the directory. The command is rmdir Durga Rao. So this command will remove this directory lc. After removing, you check it ls-l whether the directory is there or not. See, right now after removing the Durga Rao directory, only Venkat directory is available because we check that list ls-l, it's showing only Venkat directory is available here. Next one, to remove non-empty directory. Suppose this is the Venkat directory. So right now Venkat directory is there. Go to the Venkat directory. Go into the Venkat directory. I'm creating one file in the Venkat directory. Touch is a command to create a file. I will give like new file. Okay, new file. I created one file. Let's check whether the file created or not. ls-l. The file is created. See, already we created one file, new file. Now we created one more file, new file 1. Okay, right now I want to go back again from the Venkat directory. So cd dot dat, going back. So right now I am in ec2 directory. What are the directories available in ec2-user? ls-l. Right now Venkat directory is there. This is the Venkat directory contains two files. This Venkat directory contains two files, that is new file and new file 1. So right now our task is to remove non-empty directories. The command is rm-r venkat. Okay, rm-r venkat is, suppose if you give rmdir venkat, it will not remove. See what it's saying, rmdir failed to remove venkat directory not empty, because this directory contains files, so we can't use this command. Whenever, right now, how to remove that files? rm-r venkat. If you see after this command ls-l, there are no files, there are no directories available here because we removed using rmdir venkat. Correct. Next is what? To create multiple files. To create multiple files, how we will do? The command is touch command. TOU touch. I want to create file 1, file 2, file 3, file 4. See, I created 4 files. If I give ls-l, it will show you 4 files. 4 files are created using touch command. Okay, next one. Next, create file with data using cat command. Using cat command, we have to create one file. This cat file. What is the file? File 1 will take. Okay, cat file. Press enter. Oh, sorry. Come here. Cat will create a file here. Like this means it will create a file 1, and if you press the enter means you can type some data like A B C D E F. Welcome to Linux commands are easy. Okay, enter. Control D to come out of that file. Control D. See, right now using cat command I created the file 1 and I typed some data here. After that, to come out of this one of the file, I have pressed Control D. Okay, right now we will check whether this data is available in this file 1 or not. The command is cat file 1 to check the content of the file 1. See, file 1 contains this data. Okay. Oh, sorry. Next one. Next is where is our next task is like, okay, to delete the file. How to delete the file? Okay, previously we deleted the directories. Right now we should delete the file. The command is rm file1. Okay, I have to check it ls-l to check the list of files. See, there is no file1 is not there because we removed rm. Command is rm file1, file got removed. Next task is to copy files, file from file 1 to file 2. Okay, so how we copy? Here we will take example as we have here 3 files. We will copy file data from file 2 to file 3. Okay, so starting now what I will do is I will enter some data in file 2, same data we will copy into file 3. Okay, how to right now? V is one more command is there to enter, just, or else we can use cat only. Cat is the command. Just type the file name. Before that you have to give this question like this and press enter. I am typing 1 2 3 4. Next A B C D. Okay, after that press enter, Control D to come out of the file. Now you check the contents of the file 2. We see the data is there now. We type 1 2 3 and ABCD. Okay, right now we want to copy the file data from file 2 to file 3. The command is cp file 2 to file 3. Okay, see, I am entering. Now you check the file data is copied or not. File 3. See, I copied file from file 2 to file 3. Same data came into file 3 also. Okay, our task is completed. Next one, copy is done. Next one is to copy multiple files. We need cat command again. To copy multiple files, to copy 2 files data into third file. See, I will show you how to do that one. Right now we have files like ls-l. Okay, we have data in these 2 files. This file 2 and file 3 we have data. I want to copy these 2 files data into file 5. How to do? First you take file 2, file 3, the last. Now I want to copy these 2 files data into here. In the file I will take one new file 5. So these 2 files data will be copied into this one and type enter. Now you check that cat file 5. See, 2 files data got copied into 1 2 3 4 ABCD 1 2 3 4 ABCD got copied into file 5. So when you have requirement like you should copy data from more than one file, then you have to give the command like cat file 2 file 3 greater than symbol and file 5. So these 2 files data will be copied into file 5. Next one. So one more command we will see is to rename a file. To rename a file, mv means mv is how to rename a file. See, I will show you. Right now I have ls-l. I have file 2, file 3, file 4, file 5. But I want this file, I want to change it. I want to change this name to file 1. The command is mv file 2 to file 1. Okay, enter. Now check ls-l. There is no file 2. Right now it is file 1 only because we rename the file 2 to file 1 using mv command. Okay, next Next one is what? Move the files from source to destination. Okay, right now all the things are there. ls-l. Right now I have these files. I don't have any directory. I will create one directory. mkdir project. So now we do ls-l. Right now I have all the files, file 1, file 3, file 4, file 5. See here, I told you now, if the first character is D means it is a directory. See, for project it is D is there, so it is only directory, remaining all our files. Okay, right now I want to copy this, I want to move these files from here to my project. How I will do? mv /home ec2-user. I want to copy first file 1 to project will give once. See the files, the file which one, file 1 is moved to project. Right now I mean present working directory is ec2-user ls-i. If I do means file 1 is not there here because it was moved to project directory. So let's see in project directory cd the file 1 moved to project directory or not. cd go to project directory and check ls-l. See, file 1 is moved from ec2-user path to from ec2-user path, from this path to I moved this file 1 to project path. So after giving ls-l it is showing file 1. Okay, right now I am in project directory, right? Present working directory is project. This task is done. Next one, to display first 10 lines of the file. To display first 10 lines of the file, suppose go to one file, come out of this others, go to this file. I am using one command, va to open this file. I can use va command. Va is the va editor to open the file. Okay, va file 1. I have right now two lines only here. To enter any data in the va editor, we have to press I first. I means insert mode. So I will give some lines. We have 2 lines. This data is there. I am entering some data like okay, these are the lines of data I have in this file. To save this file, we have to press escape :wq. Save and execute. Right now, this file contains the data. This one. Okay. Right now, our task is to display first 10 lines of the file. I want only first 10 lines. Remaining lines I don't want. So the command is here head -n. You have to give how many lines. First 10 lines means you have to put 10, and the file name is file 1. In the file 1 I want only first 10 lines. Now press enter. See, starting from here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. RER is the last one. These are the first 10 lines. See here, you can also see these are the first 10, this is the last one. Like this we can find first 10 lines. Also this task is done. We go to 16th. To display last 10 lines, we have to display last 10 lines. What is the command? To display last 10 lines means we have to provide previously we given head. Now we have to give tail. It will display last 10 lines. From last 10 lines, here it is there now. From last 10 lines, from last to back, like this. Last 10 lines it will display tail command. Okay, so 16 task is done. ls means we have used display the list of files. I already shown you ls-l. Okay. Let's go back cd.dat, one directory backside. I'm showing ls means list of ls means it will show the list of files. ls-l means it will show the long list of files like this, long list. Next one is what? Here ls-l will show you the files starting with in alphabetical order, a b c d f g h I j k l m n o p, like that. So these are the files in the alphabetical order. If I give ls-lr, lr means it will give reverse order. Now project will come on the top. See, it will show from descending order from back to, like this. Here it is showing in the alphabetical order A to Z, like that. It will show here from Z to A. Okay. Next one is next command ls-lt. It will show the file which is created last. Suppose we created one file, touch file 6. Suppose I created this file just now only, ls-lt. So the last created file will show in here. Okay, when I give ls-lt, the last created file will show on the top. If I give ls-ltr, it will show this file 6 will show on the down in the reverse order. See, ls-ltr means it will show the reverse order. The last created file will be shown in the last. Okay, next, this is done now. ls command ls-lt, ltr is done. I already shown to create file using VI editor. I shown you before, but once again I will show you. If you look at VI file name to create the file like this. Okay. Next one is I created the file name using VI. Now to write data in the above file name. How to write data? We have to press, I told you, to press the I character on the keyboard. It will show you here insert. Then you can type anything. Okay, like this. To save this file, you have to press escape, then shift colon W Q. After that exclamatory. That W means save, Q means quit. Save and quit. Then press enter. That file will be saved. Okay. To see this file name, the data is present or not, you have to give cat command. File name. See, the data is shown. So the data is saved already. Okay, like this we can create the file using VI, and we can enter the data, and we can save the data using escape colon WQ, and after that we can see the file contents using cat command. Next one, SCD command. SCD command means SCD is a stream editor. SCD is a command. It is a suppose if you want to, without opening a file, you want to change any word in the file. How then you have to use SCD command. See what it is saying. Without opening the file, you can replace a word using SCD command. See here how it is there. This command we will try right now. Okay. So we have this file. I am taking this file 3 in our example. I am opening file 3. Okay. File 3. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 is there. Okay, I want to add one more AWS. Now I want to save it. Escape colon WQ. Save and quit. Right now I have AWS in the file. I want to change it to Azure. The command what I will do is so AWS is the, I want to change the word to Azure. Then file name we have to give file 3. Okay, enter. See, this command is showing this. I changed that word Azure to AWS to Azure. This word will be replaced. AWS will be replaced with Azure. See, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 ABCD Azure in the file. Like this we can do use the SCD command. Next one, input redirection example. So input redirection means it will take here, see this command, you can see I am giving some input data here, input data to this command, and this command will sort that in alphabetical order. See, let's see. We'll go to again one file vi. I'm creating one file name. Okay, already some data is there. Let me to remove this data. We can press escape, and you give dd. Dd means delete. It will delete one line. Again you give dd. It will delete the line. Now I want to enter fresh data means again I have to put insert. You have to go into insert mode. So you have to press I again. So the command will the mode will change to insert. Now you enter Z Y X D C B A. I entered in the reverse order. So this is my file. Escape. I'm saving. Escape :wq. Okay. So my file is file name. You have to give. I'm taking one sort. Sort is the command. It is taking the file name. See, I am giving file name to file name is the input I am giving input. So the sort what it is doing, it is sorting that file data into in alphabetical order A B C D X Y Z. Okay, it will sort the file. That is the input redirection. This is called example for input redirection. It will take one input file as data and it is sorting that file data in alphabetical order. Okay, next we will see like output redirection. Output redirection means below command will list the files and directories and write to output.txt. See here one. See, let's try an example. I am typing ls-l. It will give the long list of files, but I want this in the one file. So the command is ls-l. So now we have to give this one like this symbol output.txt. It is redirecting this output, this terminal output into this file here. Click enter. See, now there is no output here. It's on the terminal, but that output is showing in the file output.txt. This is called output redirection. Next one, standard error. See, below command will write the error details to the error.txt. Suppose actually date command we will try. This is the date command. Date command you are giving perfectly. The output is coming perfectly without any errors. Suppose by mistake I am giving date command date. I will press one. I will give one more E. So it will display one error. See, date command not found. But I don't want to display here. What are the errors are coming on the terminal? I don't want to display. Instead of displaying on terminal, I want to redirect that output to one error file. So what I do, ls date, I have to give 2 greater than error. So this what is the error is coming, it is displaying on terminal. It will go into the standard error. Okay, press enter. Now see ls-l. Now you go and stick it in this error file. That this output will be there. Cat error command not found. See, this is called standard error. Next one is which command is used to change the file permission in Linux with example. The command is chmod is the command to change the permission of a file. So providing write permission to the user. Now you see, check it ls-l. Right now we will see for this file 3, this user, this first 3 is called user. Read write hyphen. Okay, but this user don't have execute permission. Right now I'm going to provide execute permission chmod, and this is the user. This first 3 is called user. Okay, you just plus I'm giving adding one permission like execute permission. X means execute, u plus x, and for this file, for this user he don't have execute permission, I'm giving execute permission. Okay, now check it, ls-l. See, this file3 user, previously he don't have execute permission, right now I provided execute permission. Okay, this is the execute permission. So these first three are called users, and next three are called group, and next three are called other users. Okay, if I want to give this, see here, group also doesn't have execute permission. Okay, and if I do here for this group, there is no execute permission. I want to give, what is the command? ch body. Now we have to give group plus x and file name. Now we check ls-l. See, for this group also we given read, write, execute permission we have given. Here see others don't have, other is having only read permission, right? Here he doesn't have write and execute permissions. Now we will provide other means o plus write and execute to file3. Now you check ls-l. See, this file3 all are having user is having read, write, execute, and one is having read, write, execute, and others also having read, write, execute. Like this we can provide the permissions to this user, group, and others. If I don't want to if I want to remove any permission from this, here in the other read, write, execute is there, but I want to remove this execute permission to the others. How to do? Again chmod other minus x and file name file3. Now check it, ls-l. This x will be removed. So there is no execute permission for others in file3. Like that we can give the permissions to the user. Okay, next here, how to create 29th is how to create user and provide permission to and give sudo access for the particular user. So first what we have to do, we have to go into the root user, sudo su hyphen to go to the root user. Okay, now we see the hash it came, previously it is dollar symbol, so we switch as a root user. See here, root, previously it is ec2 hyphen user. Okay, next here I want to create one user. How to create user? The command is user add. I want to create one user called John, right? Okay, you can give add user also, but you can give okay, we'll try as per the document. We'll go user add also, you can give add user. Okay, enter. Okay, right now I created the user. Okay, I created the user. Next we have to set the password for that particular user. To set the password, pass wd and John. Like that, it will ask the password. How to do it? I am giving some password to this user. Pass 1 2 6 1 2. See, authentication token updated, pass successfully. So password also I given to this user for this John. Okay, next one is to add user John to sudo access. So we want to give this user as sudo access. So the command is sudo usermod hyphen ag sudo to which user? John. We are modifying and we are giving sudo access to the John. This is the command. Enter. Does not exist. john group sudo. Okay, then we'll give wheel also. Wheel will try. Yeah, wheel means you'll get the sudo access also. Wheel if we give means user mode -g wheel John. Okay, this one we can not here. Wheel. Next one is to display created user. Right now created user, to check whether the user created or not. Okay, /etc/pass wd. Enter. See where is your John. Here is the John we created just now only. You can give id also. Id means id John also you can give to check id John. See, this is the John we created. To check whether the user is created in our system, we can check like this. Okay, this is the command to check John. id John means it will give only John id details. That is UID of John 1001, like this, group ID, and like this, and is having sudo permission wheel. Okay, next. Here the next command, the task is to delete the user John. How to delete? User del is the command. What is the command? User del John -- remove. Okay, that is the command to remove. Okay, right. So we have removed John right now. There is no John. If you check John is not there right now. We removed it. Okay, next one. Okay, to change ownership of the John. Okay, we have to try here somewhere. Okay, this command. I am creating one more user for this task actually, to create the permission for the file name. Okay, to change the ownership. To change the ownership of a file to the user John. Right now we deleted the John. We created one second. Add user John. Okay. ID John. So John is created. So give ls-l. Okay. Now you go here once. Give present working directory. Okay. Give ls-l. Here list of files are there. Here this is the ownership. EC2-user is the owner for this file error. EC2-user is the group. Okay, right now what our task is to change the ownership of a file to the user John. So this file should have this file. Suppose this file is there, which is having this is the ownership for the group, for the user and group. I want to change this to John. The command is chown. The ownership I am changing here. I am giving John, again John, to file name. So right now the ownership is changing to John. Sorry, what happened? File name operation not permitted. So we have to give the sudo command. Sorry, sudo we have to give. Sudo is the root access. See right now ls-l, you check it. The file name is having ownership of John. John is having the ownership for this file name. Okay, like this we can change the ownership. Next one, what is the use of locate and find command in Linux? So locate and find command is used for searching for locate and find command is used for file search. Okay, So let's search some files. Right now what are the files I have? ls-l. Okay, suppose this is the file 5. Somebody, your colleague told you to search this file in the system, file 5. Okay, you don't know but that one where it is. You are checking that one. Sudo find /home -name and you're giving file 5. Where is the file? I want the path. He's asked you to search the path of the file. Now you press enter. It will give you, it is showing in home ec2-user file 5. Okay, like this we can find the path of the file using find command. Next one, find is over. Next, here we will see ping command. Ping to check the country. Ping is used to check the connectivity of the from our system to other systems. .google.com. So here it's pinging that Google. So the connected, this machine is connected with that Google. Like this you can check the connectivity of the machines. Next one is ping is over. Next one, how to download files from internet. See, to download the files from internet we have to use wget command. Wget command will download the files. So this is the URL. This URL is for to download one software, Nexus software actually. Okay, let me download this one using wget. Copy this command, copy cd/opt. I want to download this one in I will go with sudo su-. Okay, right now I'm in go to user. So I want to go to cd/opt. I want to download that file here. Right now in opt folder. Now you give this command, copy. So wget is the command. This is the URL. We are downloading the file. Press enter. So it is downloading the file. Nexus package file. Give ls-l. You can see this is the file we can download. Okay, using wget. Next one, I'll tell you about curl in the last. Okay, I will cut this one. I will paste it down. Okay, I will paste it down. Okay, this 41 I will tell here. 40 I will tell here. Let's continue again from 41. Okay, so we have seen wget. After that we have to check ifconfig. How to get the IP address of our machine? The command is ifconfig. So it will show you the IP address of this file of this machine. See, let's see what is this machine IP here. We will check it in service. So this machine IP is, the running machine IP is what? Click here. The IP is, this is the public IP, this is the private IP. Let's check it. What it is? 172.31.89.199. So this is the IP address of that. Like this we are using ifconfig command. We can check the IP address of the machines also. Okay, let us go next one. So next is to display memory details. To display memory details, what is the command? free-m. This is the command. It will show you the memory details. Total how much, used how much, and free how much. So this is total 952 and used is 100 and the free is 64, like that. Okay, like that you can check the memory details using free command. Next one, you can see the CPU utilization using top command, top. CPU utilization and all you can see here also using top, and these are all the process running process in the machine. Okay, next one, clear screen. We'll clear the screen once. Next one is CPU utilization. Next, how to install Git software in Ubuntu and Amazon Linux. We will see in one mission Amazon, and I want to show you one installation. Git installation. This, like if you want to install in Ubuntu, you should use this command sudo apt install git-y. For Ubuntu, we will use the package manager apt to install the packages. For Amazon Linux, we use yum. Let's install Java here. Okay, let's install Java. Copy this command and install Java here like this. It will install Java. Yes, Java is installed. Check Java version version. It is giving Java version as 1.8. Okay. Next one. What is grep command? So grep command means it will search for a particular word. Suppose Unix is there. I want to search this Unix in the file. Whether this this Unix pattern is available in the file.txt or not. To check it, how do we check? We use grep command, because the file contains lot of data. You don't know how to find. So at the time we will use grep Unix and file.txt. Let's see. We ls -l. I am creating file.txt here. Vi file.txt, and I am entering some data, random data, and in the middle I will enter somewhere like Unix here, Unix 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, again random data and random data. Save this file, escape colon wq. Now we use the command grep command. Grep, I want to search for Unix pattern in file.txt. See, that particular line will display here. Unix is the this is the Unix I am searching this file, so that particular line it will display here. Using grep command we can get that line, complete line. Okay. Next we go for we will see this awk command, how it works. Okay. First we have to take some data in. I will create one file, employee.txt. suppose in this employee.txt I have like 101 Durga manager. Okay, like that. 102 some Venkat software engineer. 103 Rao developer. Okay, I am saving this file for our this is the file I have right now. I want to print, first one is I want to print this file. The command is awk. Okay. For printing means you have to give like print. We have to open this one, sorry, print and employee.txt. It will print all the data in the file. Okay, this is one point. Next one is like I want to print only manager only. Who is the manager? You print that one only. Again the command is same command. You have to enter manager. Okay, like this. Right, you have to give pattern, sorry, you have to give pattern here and you have to enter Again enter. Right now the record which is coming is 101 Durgarao, he is manager. So remaining data is not coming. Like this we can filter data from that file. Okay. Okay, like this we can do remaining also. And what is sudo file? Sudo file is used to configure the user permissions. So we can configure the user permission in sudo file. Let's create one user here. See, user user add nexus. I am creating one user called nexus. Okay, user add nexus. I created the user nexus. Now I want to go to va sudo. Sudo's file is used to configure the user permission. You can configure the user permission in va sudo. Go here, come down, just scroll down like this, scroll down. Here you can find root user. Just I am to copy this same thing. We have to do like yy means it will copy that complete line. Yy I am giving, and I am giving p means paste. See, same thing it got copied. Now I am giving what is the user nexus we are giving. I want to give some permission here, like nexus all is equal to all, no pass wd colon w. So no pass wd. Okay, colon w colon all. Okay, like this. Okay, like this we can add the permission. So see, allow root to run any command anywhere, all means. Okay, now I'm saving, save colon wq. It's done. Next one is bash hrc. Bash hrc is used for setting the environment variable. To set the environment variable, we use bash hrc. I'll show you one command. Previously we installed Java. It will get the path where it was installed. See, this is the USR, this is the path. We installed Java previously. Right now this is the path. So I want to create in what the bash hrc. Using .bash hrc file we can set the environment variable. I want to set the environment variable for Java, so that I have to go. This bash hrc will be available. First we will execute this one. Okay, go to pwd. Right now you are in ec2-user. You give command ls-la. So this bash hrc file will be available in the home directory. Okay, in the home directory you can find the bash hrc file. Okay, sudo give vi bash hrc. Okay, like this it will open. After that you have to give like you have to give export java underscore home is equal to, you have to copy that path where is the Java available. This is the path Java available, bin path I can give. Now you type like this. So you export Java underscore home. Like this we can set the path escape colon wq. I think bin is not required. Okay, let's keep this. Okay, now we have to give source dot bash hrc. Okay, now you type echo dollar Java underscore home. This is the environment variable Java underscore home right now. So to get the output of the environment variable, you have to use echo. See, like this you can set the Java path in .bash hrc file. Next one is install httpd web server in Amazon Linux. Let's install httpd. Okay, sudo, before that we will update sudo yum update -y. Okay, next I will install httpd package. Sudo yum install, sorry, httpd -y. Okay, it's installing httpd package. It's installed. Now after that we need to check the status of the web server that just now we installed httpd. Okay, it is like a web server, so we need to check the status whether it's running or not. Service name is httpd. Check the status. So this is not running because inactive and dead. Right now we need to activate this. That means we should start this httpd service httpd start. Okay, I think some permission is required. We need to start this one using sudo command. Sudo service httpd start. Okay, now check the status. status. See, it is running. Now the our web server is running. HTTP status right now it is active and running. Okay, next it is like we will go this path to create some small web page. Okay, go to the path cd /var www/html. okay, ls-l. There is no files here. I am creating one file using vi. That is file name is index.html. okay, this is the web page I am creating in the web server. Hi, today we learn 50 Linux commands. This is the data I want to print. Thanks all for watching. Like and subscribe. Okay, this page I want to display escape:/wq. okay, sorry, this is not saving. I need to create the page using sudo actually. Copy escape:/q. Let's give sudo in front of this one. Okay, give insert and paste. This is the page I want to display. Okay, now save it escape:/wq. The page is ready right now. All things, web server is running active, and the web page we created using by going to this path. I created the web page index.html, and the page data I want to print is this one. I want to print actually. So right now we need to start and we need to open the port number. Go to security group and open the port. For HTTP the port number we have to open is 80 port number. Okay, go here, edit inbound rules and add rule. The port is 80 and access from anywhere, all zeros. Now save the rules. Now you go to this EC2 and take the IP of this one, IP of this machine, the IP of this public IP. This is the public IP. Okay, copy this public IP and go here and give this IP and enter. See, hi, today we learn 50 Linux commands. Thank you all for watching. Like and subscribe. Okay, like this we can do. So all the comments are done now. So this curl is also same like this only. For curl is used to check the curl will send the request actually. I told you that I will teach you curl at the end of the session. So the curl, what it will do, I will show you here. See URL curl. What is the IP address? of this machine, that web server machine, this one. See, if you give this IP here, this kernel will send the request to the web server and get the response. See, I'm giving and pressing enter. See, that means the response is this one. Okay, it's working fine. This kernel is sending the request to the web server. The web server is giving the response of this one. Okay, these are the 50 commands we learned.